In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and sell packages in Practice Better. Packages are a great way to bundle sessions and services so clients understand exactly what they're getting, and you can streamline your workflow and pricing. Let's walk through the process clearly and simply so you can set one up in just a few minutes. First, head to My Practice and then open My Services. This is your central hub for everything you offer, from one-off appointments to bundled packages. If you don't see what you expect here, make sure you're in the correct account and that you have permission to create services. Next, click Add Package. You might also see a Fast Action button, often a plus icon, which takes you to the same place. This opens the Package Builder, where you'll define what the package is and who it's for. Start by entering a clear, client-friendly name and a concise description. Think about what a client needs to know at a glance, who this package serves, the key outcomes, and what's included. If you have a fee, add it here. Choose a price that reflects the value of the bundle and, if relevant, the savings versus booking items separately. Keep your tone consistent with your brand, and avoid jargon so clients can make quick, confident decisions. Now add exactly what's included in the package. This is where you specify the mix of services, such as an initial consultation, a set number of follow-ups, or access to a program. Use the Add Sessions to this package button to select each service. You can combine different service types in one package to match your workflow and client journey. For each service you add, choose how many are included. For example, you might include 1 initial consultation and 5 follow-up sessions. The quantities you select here determine the client's entitlements, so align them with the results you want them to achieve and the cadence you typically recommend. When everything looks good, save the package. It will appear under your Services and Packages list right alongside your other offerings. Take a moment to review the listing from a client's perspective. The title should be clear, the description should set expectations, and the price should make sense for the value. You can return to edit the package anytime if you need to fine-tune the language, adjust quantities, or update pricing. That's it. You've created a polished, client-ready package in Practice Better, organized for clarity and easy to sell within your existing services lineup.